Hi there, everybody. So this is just a quick overview slash tutorial on the analytics and how you can actually measure team performance and the general performance that's happening on the live chat. What I'll do, I'll start from the analytics we have on the top. We won't go into too much detail on the voice over IP, and then we'll move over to this graph after. Right at the end, I'll actually go through the individual agent reports that you can actually visually see as well. So starting from the top left here, quite self-explanatory. You have the total chats, which is 48. You have your answered chats, which is 34, and you have your missed chats, which is 14. So of course, if you add the answered and the missed chats, you will get your total chats number here. So just to kind of go a bit dig into the missed chat slightly here, we have 14 here, and 14 have been missed by the agent and 0 have been missed from the queue. So just to kind of reiterate the difference between these two here, by agent means a conversation has come in, it has been assigned to an agent, and they have not picked the conversation up. If you have missed chats from a queue, that basically means that conversation had come in, it had been put into the queue, it had not been transferred or designated to an agent, and therefore they left. The average chat time, what this basically shows is it accumulates everybody's conversations and then divides them and gives you the average chat time. So on average, your agents are speaking for 15 minutes to each customer. Response time is really important. So this is how quickly on average your conversations are being picked up once they come in. So here we have 25 seconds, which means if a customer, on average, we are picking up a new chat within 25 seconds time. And another really important metric, which is missed chat close time, which has relevance to this metric here as well. So the conversations that we are missing, how long are the customers leaving? So if I start a conversation, after how long do I put that conversation down and just leave the queue? So here we can see 21 seconds. We can see after 21 seconds of waiting, of customers waiting, they actually just close the chat straight away. So ideally, this number would be a huge contributor to your missed chats here. Total time spent on chat is 524 minutes, and you have your surveys, positive, negative, and you have any offline messages. So when you come in into the morning, you can kind of, if you have any offline messages, you can go through them in your people section. Client timing is really important. You can break this down by hour. You can see total chats and missed chats and any VoIP calls. Once again, we're not really going through VoIP calls in this tutorial, but you can break this down by hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly as well. Something that's very crucial here is the data can be exported as well. Moving on over to the agent report. So this is quite more interesting. This actually gives you a very quick overview of all your agents that you have. So here you have the names, assigned chats. They were assigned 12 chats, how many they answered, how many were unanswered, and how many were missed. Chat time, response time, average drop-off time, daily online time, and also their serve results. So this data gives you a really quick picture overview of how your team is performing, and you can really kind of dig in and see maybe who's taking a little bit longer to respond, or who is your quickest responder, and so forth. I hope this has been very useful for you. If you have any questions on our analytics or how to measure performance, please feel free to ask us. Thank you.